Yo, guys, it is my first day in Bali, guys. Let's go. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, I get a full bed, bro. My bed in my room is like half this, bro. Ugh. This is freaking awesome. All right, so basically, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a room tour of what my place looks like. All right, so we're staying at a villa. We gotta check out this bathroom. The bathroom do be hot as fuck in here. I'm not gonna lie. It's got a vent. So at night, guys, you have to close the bathroom, or all the cold AC is gonna go in it, and your room's gonna be like hot. We can go ahead and go outside. Mosquitoes are a thing. It's my first day here, so I really don't know how bad they are. But it's pretty nice. And that little lounge up top area that lights up in the night, right? That'd be kind of cool. And then we got this little pool too. Oh yeah. I haven't swum in that yet, but you know damn well I'm gonna eventually do it. I got done with 3-4 hours of work today. I got some food, and then after that, just kind of chilling. I think I got plans to go to the gym. I don't really know. Maybe go out. So here's what the crib looks like. We got a little kitchen right here. Nothing crazy. The water here, apparently you can't be drinking that shit, so we gotta get like a little tub thing right here. Looks like we got Alec, he's doing some work. He's a little grouchy, someone's trying to get a refund, trying to like ruin him, I don't know. But we got Ness.
No, I'm bottom guy.
Okay, and then we got CJ, the creative director. So we're a lot of crazy shit. All right, now we're gonna go outside. Basically, here is what the magical part is. It's fucking dope, bro. So basically, yo, there's a whole ass pool, bro. I mean, I don't know how deep it is, but it's just fucking nice, bro. I mean, you got these little chairs right here. The mosquitoes haven't been a fucking thing for me yet. I think they only come out at nighttime, but I don't know. And apparently, there's even there's an outside bathroom too, and it's got like a shower and shit. Well, actually, no, I'm tripping. There's a shower actually out here. It's like over there, but that's pretty cool though. So it is amazing, man. And then we just do our work right there, you know. Today, woke up, went to a cafe area. Cost me like, the meal there was like $7-8, and then for like a smoothie and a nice little protein bowl. But it was pretty great for $8, right? And then came back here, I did some work, 3-4 hours ish, and then yeah, and then now I don't know, it's a Friday, so I'm probably gonna go out and I don't even fucking know. I don't know, we'll just figure it out. This is our first day, so we're thinking about getting scooters already and riding them to the gym. It's about 6-minute ride from here, or just walking it. The roads here are pretty crazy. I think I've got some footage of that, but yeah, it is. I'm excited though. I don't know what's really gonna be happening on this trip, but it's Bali, guys. It's literally 7 in the morning, and the first thing I'm doing is jumping in this damn pool. Life is beautiful, man. Life is beautiful. I just Alright guys, so we're in Bali right now. We're about to hit this fucking dope ass waterfall. Bro, that's it? We saw a waterfall, bro. This guy said it was a whole ass fucking brown. This guy said it would be brown and shit rushing. It's drips. Oh, yeah. Nah, I'm joking. But I think we might have to continue on the fucking. Do you know how fucking steep this shit is, bro? God damn. Oh, yo, it's a hike, bro, in the water. Wow, dude, look at the sunlight. Bro, ore farming right here, bro. Yeah, that does not feel good.
Oh. What's up, Bali, bro?
We out here in Bali, bro. Dude, was it Monday? Monday morning, bro?
Monday morning,
We're out here for a whole month, bro.
traveling off of Wi-Fi money. Wi-Fi money.
Wi-Fi money.
Alright, so basically, we're supposed to be on this helicopter thing. I showed up really early. I don't even know where the fuck everyone's at. I don't even know if I'm going to the right place. I don't even know if we're supposed to pay for parking. I don't know where I'm going, to be honest, but we're gonna figure it out. I think I have to walk that way.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so yep, I was at the wrong place. Just parked right there. I sped my way here. We're here. This is the helicopter. So, yeah, I knew. Oh, wow, look at that. You guys see the people in the air right there?
Alex said that's boring.
What's more boring, a helicopter ride or that fucking that?
I would definitely say. I mean, skydiving, bro. That's like the last part of skydiving. Nah, helicopter is sick, but that's fucking.
That's fucking gnarly, bro.
You already did that.
So, and I liked it.
Yeah, exactly. Right?
And I think it'd be better if I actually had more time
It's
to
like
enjoy
saying,
it.
"Oh, I'm not gonna go to the brunch club again because I've already been there." That looks pretty sick to me. I don't know. Let the chat decide. Chat, what do you guys think? Is that sick or not? I think it gets the valid approval. I'm not gonna lie.
Damn, so we gotta wait here 30 fucking minutes.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Alright, hold up. Oh. Helicopter. What we doing today, bro?
We're gonna fly.
Flying what?
We're gonna fly. We're gonna die. We're gonna fly. Oh shit, bro. Hey, we have a male pilot. We're gonna live. About to go ahead and get something to eat. We just got done with the helicopter. I think we're supposed to set reservations. Look at this blossom tree right there. Though. That's pretty. But overall, I learned that like in Bali, apparently like it's definitely changed a lot. And I think I gotta plan. I gotta go to East Bali. All right, guys, we got most of our work done for the day. We currently are at the beach. We got the gang. We got gas too, and now we're off to the beach. So. Yo. It looks like there's like a club over there too. Oh, there's like islands over there too. This is actually fucking crazy, bro.
A few minutes later.
Alright, we just finished. This guy right here just paid for our meal. It's like $300 in total for everything.
I think
But yeah, I really appreciate this guy. This guy just paid
I
for our
don't
meal.
doubt that they have some cheese people.
Now we gotta ride back to the villa.
Hold up.
I just wanna, I just made a